Assalamualaikum and welcome back to another exciting video. In this video, I am going to tell you about HTML5 audio player. Okay, so let's get started. Open your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins. Click on add new plugins. Search here for HTML5 audio player. Click on the first plugin, which is HTML5 audio player by bplugins. This is the free version. If you have the premium version of HTML5 audio player, you can click on upload plugin, choose the file and then click on install now. If you want to buy the premium plugin of HTML5 audio player, you can click on the description link and use the promo code HAFSA to get 10% discount. Okay. Click on activate plugin. Enter the license key and you will get the premium version of HTML5 audio player activated. This is the dashboard. You have all these features. One by one we will check all of them. Okay. First, add audio player. Before that, first we have to download the audio file. Okay, for that you have to search Pixabay and click on the first link. Search here for sound effects. Okay, click on it. These are the free sound effects. You can use it by downloading and embed into your WordPress website. Okay, so this is so simple. Click on the download button. The file is downloaded. Go back to HTML5 audio player. This is the website I am going to make. Okay. Scroll the page, add audio. Click on upload file or select file. Select the file you have downloaded just. You can add the audio title here. Okay, so go back to Pixabay and copy the title of the sound effect. Okay, click on it. Copy here the sound effects title, sunflower stream drum loop. Paste it here. Remove that one. Or okay. You can use these options according to your requirement, like you can increase or decrease the player width. You can select the control button components like download, setting button, each and everything according to your requirements. Like I have seen in the Pixabay website the download button, and for that reason I select the download button. Now everything is perfect. Click on the publish. And you have the shortcode. Like player ID 957, copy it and select the pages. Click on all pages. And you have the HTML5 audio player. Click on it. Click on edit with Elementor. And here you have to add the shortcode. Okay, first scroll down, select the container and you can style it according to your requirements. Now search here for shortcode. Paste the shortcode. And here you have the HTML5 audio player added into your WordPress website. Now click on update and scroll down this page. You have the audio like this. There are different types of audio players available, like you can test each of them and the one suit you perfect, add it into your WordPress website. Like you can add the poster, you can add the title. You can also add the poster image. First we have to download it. Search here for Pixel website. Search here for sound. And download the first one. Now go back and add or upload the poster image. Select file. First file, open it, and the file is selected. You can try other options as well, which are available in the HTML5 audio player. You can add the audio playlist. Click on the add playlist. You can select the audio, add the title, add the poster and the author name, and your playlist is created. You can also check the settings, and there are a lot of options available in HTML5 audio player setting, like color, custom CSS, player translation, search form, settings, single play button only. Okay, you can reset them, save them according to your requirements. You can change the color, try it. So basically this is the page I wanna made with HTML5 audio player, and that is awesome. Search here bplugins.com, scroll the page, click on explore the website, click on explore all premium plugins, and click on HTML5 audio player. So this is the pricing plan of HTML5 audio player. If you want to buy the HTML5 audio or video player, click the link in the description and use the promo code HAFSA to get 10% discount on every single purchase. Okay, also I have shown you how you can use these plugins into your WordPress website and do a lot of amazing things. Okay, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you have any question, put it in comment section. I will definitely reply you. And for now, happy learning.